Hi there, Chris here. I just got this gorgeous, huge Yale from my good buddy, the Irish lock picker, aka Peter Lewis. It is a 417N. There's the bitting on the key. It is a guttable lock, and if I get into it, I will gut it. Has a beautiful snap. So let's see if I can get this thing picked. I'm going to use top of the keyway pick, top of the keyway tension, and my regular pick. I'm going to start using some of these other picks and checking them out, but I want to have some time to use them a bit off camera. So let's see if we can get in here. There we go. Trying to get one out of the way. So I'm using pretty light tension. I have picked this, I think twice. Actually, once when I was talking with Peter, thanking him once again for this package. And I was picking on it, and I got the cord to turn, and I said, "Oh, wait, Peter, listen, wait for it," and held the lock up to the speaker of the phone so you could hear the snap. There we go. There's that snap. This thing is gorgeous. Okay, this, I think you need to turn the shackle this way to get this grub screw out of here. Actually, I gotta start this way so I have some room to pivot here. Maybe here. You know, there's probably a groove in there is what's holding it. Yeah, it's running up against a groove. So I think we're close. And if I'm not mistaken, there might be a little, no, not in this one. The older one had a little ball bearing. Oh, it was locked. That was what was kind of holding it. Okay, so spring and ball bearing come out. And then way down there is a Phillips head. Oh boy. Hopefully I can get this. Not real easy. There we go. So far, so good. There's the little ball bearing. Okay, and I think I'm gonna unlock this. I think. I think the ball bearing lives in the bottom of there. There's the inside. Here's the core. All right, we'll lock that up. Lock that back up and take the C-clip off. This one fits well. Has a little nub. Give it a shim. Chim it. So I'm expecting to find maybe a couple of spools. Didn't feel like, well, maybe more than a couple. I don't know, maybe 3. I'm often wrong with that. So don't count on it. All right, where's my, oh, it's right in front of me. Okay. Always makes me smile to see 6-pin lock with 6 pins in it. And it's got a wafer number 6. Okay, so we'll start there. And it's tapered. The wafer is tapered. Are we on? Oh, and in 5, there's a wafer number 5. And the wafers are tapered, and the key pins don't appear to be tapered. Well, 4 wants to come, so we'll take 4. Whoops. Did I start wrong? That's 3. Just can't count. There's 4. A shot. 2 and 1. I don't see any serrations, so we'll put this guy somewhere. As I'm doing this, my eye just keeps catching on this pick, so I'm gonna just hold it up for a second. I mean, is that gorgeous or what? I don't know what's in the inset, but it's gorgeous. Okay, now, let's see if I had any idea what I was talking about inside here. Okay, standard. Copper. Spoolage. Copper. Okay, hello. Oh, wafer. And, oh, the pin's still in there. I think the wafer was on the bottom of this, and it's tapered. That's number 4. Copper. Go to the front. Yeah, buddy. It's a mushroom pin or a tapered spool. And where'd we go? Last but not least is a standard. Actually, the other one looks tapered as well. And another springy, oops, 3 or 4. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna hold up these spools. The bigger one is easier to see. Get around the camera. So it's a tapered spool. Very, very cool. Or a mushroomy thing. So it had 3 spools. They're all tapered. Yeah, there you go. Sorry about doing that. Anyway, beautiful Yale. And he said 714, 47 wound. And God, it's there, right? It is, but it's really hard to pick up. 417 in. All right, don't let that escape. There you go, got it back. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you, Peter, for sending me this. And it's a wonderful pick. Hit the like, subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for everybody, all the support you guys show this channel. And leave a comment. We'll see you next time.